In this video, we're gonna show you how to use Costco digital membership card. First, download the Costco app. If you haven't already, download the Costco app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Then log in or create an account. Open the Costco app and log into your existing Costco.com account. If you don't have an account, you can create one within the app. After that, access your digital membership card. Once you are logged in, your digital membership card should be displayed on the app's home screen or within the account section. It usually features a QR code. And the last one is use your digital card at Costco. Entering the warehouse. When you enter a Costco warehouse, simply show your digital membership card on your phone to the employee at the entrance. They may scan the QR code to verify your membership. Checking out. At the checkout register, present your digital membership card to the cashier. They will scan the QR code to process your purchase. So that's how you can use Costco digital membership card.